Hi, this is Jake with Cabinet Solutions, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make the simplest floating shelves in our software that we possibly can in both European and FaceFrame. What we're going to do is let's start off with FaceFrame first, and we're just going to go to Apply to Job Standards, and let's go ahead and create our wall here. Make it 100 inches. Now the steps are going to be similar 99% of the way through both FaceFrame and European. There may be some differences because European is missing some parts that FaceFrame has. So what we're going to do is let's start off with placing an upper cabinet, clicking on the cabinet to customize it, and go to our elevation screen. And now we can click on the cabinet to fully customize it. So once we're on the cabinet to customize, let's go ahead and remove our door opening from this to start. Go to Openings and Rollouts, click on the opening, change my opening type to open. And right now, we're going to go ahead and remove the parts that we don't need and add in some parts that we do need. I'm going to remove the fixed shelves that are currently in this cabinet so that way I can place in some center rails and they'll show up on the elevations this way. Let's go to my shelves and click on the opening. Change my number of fixed shelves to 0 and OK and OK. So now I have just the box carcass itself. Let's go ahead and add in our center rails. I'm going to make sure that my full height center rail size is what I need it to be. Let's go ahead and leave it as default for this and click on continue. And let's just place in 2 center rails. This amount can be changed depending on what you need it to be for the job application, but for now I'm just going to make it 3 separate openings. So now let's go ahead and remove the parts that we don't need. In this case, our left and right style and our left and right panel. I could also remove my top and bottom if I needed to as well. So let's go ahead and just remove the left and right style for now. View and delete boards. Left style. Left panel. Right style. And right panel. And click on done. And now I need to remove my last couple items in my cabinet standards. So click on my cabinet standards, go to my backs, go to upper cabinets, and remove the check mark next to backs and upper cabinets. And before I close out of the screen, let's go into my nailers and stretchers and just click on remove nailers. And that gives me my floating shelves. If I wanted to, I could resize my bottom rail width to equal out the same with my 2 center rails and same thing with my top rail. And that's how to do it in FaceFrame. European way is pretty much the same way. Like I said, there are some parts that you'll need to double check and remove that are in European that are not in FaceFrame, or parts that are in FaceFrame and not in European. So let's go ahead and delete my cabinet here, change my standards to European, place in my upper cabinet as well, click on the cabinet to customize it, openings and rollouts, let's remove my opening, change my opening type to open, go to my shelves, remove the fixed shelves that are already there. Now in this one, I'm going to place in horizontal partitions. I'm going to place 2 of them. And then go to my view and delete boards and remove my parts that I don't need. I'm going to zoom in to make it easier because I need to remove the edging on the left panel, the edging on the right panel, and then I can remove my right panel and left panel. The reason why we have to remove the edging is because if I don't, the edging still exists, so therefore the screen shows it, and it looks like my left and right panel are still there, even though they're not. So now we finish it off by going to Done, go to my cabinet standards, go to my backs, upper cabinets, and remove the check mark next to backs and upper cabinets. Go to my nailers and stretchers and just click on remove nailers. And those are my floating shelves. Now I did not show this with the FaceFrame, but I'm going to show it now. You can actually save these to your library so you don't have to keep remaking these shelves every time. All you have to do is just click on Save to Library, give it a name. We're going to call it Floating Shelves -Euro, and give it a name, and then give it a save. And now we can bring those up in our Place Cabinet screen. Go to our Custom Cabinet button, type in the name that we just created, Floating Shelves Euro, and click on Open, and we can replace these anywhere we want. Just tell it no, so that way we don't use the job standards, we use the standards that the cabinet was saved with. And then you can resize them, you can place them wherever, just like a normal cabinet. And that's all. If you have any questions, please give Cabinet Solutions a call. My phone number is 209-836-4077, or shoot us an email to support@cabinetsolutions.net. Thank you and have a great day.
This is Jake with Cabinet Solutions, and we hope you've enjoyed the video today. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to click on that notification bell for future videos of tips and tricks or previews of upcoming features. Do you have an idea for future videos? Comment below with different ideas, or send us an email to support@cabinetsolutions.net and let us know what you would like to see, and we'll be happy to create a video for it. Thank you again for watching.